Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Looker Studio dashboards for web design performance, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Looker Studio and sign in to your account. Click on the Create button to start a new dashboard. Select data source to connect to your web performance data. Choose the appropriate connector for your data source, such as Google Analytics or Google Sheets. Follow the prompts to authenticate and allow access to your data. Once connected, navigate to the dashboard layout area. Drag and drop relevant charts or tables from the Add a Chart panel. Choose visualizations that best represent your data, such as time series, bar charts, or scorecards. To analyze web design performance, focus on metrics such as page load time, bounce rates, and user engagement. Customize each chart by clicking on it and selecting the Data tab in the right panel. Set the dimensions and metrics based on your web performance goals. Adjust the time range to observe performance over different periods. Label each chart clearly, ensuring viewers understand what each visualization represents. Add filters to refine the data displayed, focusing on specific segments or campaigns. Incorporate interactive elements like drop-down menus or date pickers for user engagement. Use color coding to emphasize key performance indicators, helping viewers quickly identify trends. Arrange your charts logically, grouping similar data points together for better readability. Preview your dashboard to ensure all elements are functioning as intended. Make necessary adjustments to fonts, sizes, and colors for a polished look. Once satisfied, save your dashboard with a descriptive name for easy access later. Share the dashboard link with your team or stakeholders to facilitate performance discussions. Regularly update the dashboard to reflect the most current data and insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and correct. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.